Hi, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and we are on a 2026 Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. This particular boat is powered by the Mercury 400 V10, painted in white. Really good platform on this boat, tons of power. This boat will actually move pretty quick with that 400 on there. We've got our swim deck platform, we've got freshwater washdown at the entryway, and we've got a wet drainable storage here on the port side. You'll see that the aft bench seat is deployed. Heavy duty, built like Whaler always does, kind of over-engineered, but not really, because as heavy duty as it is, it easily goes out of the way. So if you want to do some fishing instead and didn't need the seating space, easily comes back out, goes back in. This is one of the coolest features of this boat. So we've got a cockpit table mount, we've got storage underneath, and just with a quick pull of this trigger here, you can have a full bench seat that folds all the way down, and you can actually use the padding on the head door as kind of a chaise lounge layout. You'll see we've got a bunch of cup holders back there, USB charger, the JL stereo system, and this can actually be placed in a few different spots to make yourself really comfortable. Inside the head, we've got a sink, fresh water, and vacuum flush pump out toilet. Really large space to get in and out of. It's not annoying to get in there at all, having this whole door open. Just another smart decision by Boston Whaler. Over here at the helm, we've got our Simrad multifunction display, JL audio controls, Mercury vessel view for all of our engine readings that we want to check in on. This boat does have trim tabs, VHF radio, nice leather wrapped steering wheel, and the digital throttle and shift binnacle. So you'll notice that we're underneath the hardtop right now. Tons of coverage from the sun. We've got grab rails, our map light, and then seriously bulky, heavy-duty hardtop supports. Coming up to the bow, we've got some really cool storage. We've got our Boston Whaler trash can in here. If you wanted to throw trash in there, you can access underneath the helm from this side, or the starboard bow seat flips all the way open. So if you wanted to store fishing rods or any longer gear, that can slide right in there. And also the cockpit table is in there. So at the bow, really deep seats, almost up to my shoulders, very comfortable here. We've got our grab rails, cup holders, USB chargers. And then another neat feature is we've got the anchor windlass up here with the bow boarding ladder that kicks off to the side. So you can have both. Very well designed Boston Whaler 240 Vantage. Come on down to Westbrook, Connecticut and check it out.